Hello and welcome back to another video. It's Declan here. As you can see, we've started into a new year, 2023, in the stock market, and I have Finviz open here in front of me, and you can see over the last 2 weeks, it's the first 2 weeks of January, things have gone pretty good in the stock market, and I just have the 1 week performance open here on Finviz, so we'll just go through it. So Apple has been up 6.71%, Microsoft 7.29%, and the financials are also up as well as the semiconductors, Google and Disney. Disney is up, 8.58% in the past week performance, which is pretty good, and Meta is up 7.70 this week. I think in total it's been up over 14% when you take into account the first 2 weeks of January. So yeah, 7% this week of a hike in Meta. Amazon 14.62, that's a big improvement. Tesla 11.98. Tesla had been going down quite a bit now in the last while and up fluctuating quite a bit, so Tesla seems to be kind of steadying a bit as well. So the technology, communications, semiconductors, consumer cyclical, they've all been in the green. The only sector here that's in the red at the moment for the past week performance is the healthcare sector, and you can see here where I have Johnson & Johnson is down 2.69, Eli Lilly just 0.06%, and Abivi down -6.89. Now that's quite a bit now on the week performance for Abivi. So you can see also Walmart was just up slightly, it was up 1.07%. Coca-Cola was down -1.59. The real estate, the energy and the industrials, they're all in the green. So yeah, everything apart from the healthcare sector has done pretty well this past week. And if you've been following the markets as well, you would have seen that the CPI data was released in America, and it's come down from just over 7% to 6.5. That's what was expected, and that's what was forecast for the CPI report, and that's what came in. So no major shock, no major shock either way. It was what was expected. But if inflation had gone up, the market would have more than likely sold off. If it had fallen below the 6.5%, the market would have gone pretty high. But because it stayed the same, there was no major reaction either way. But then again, like the fact that CPI has come down, inflation has come down in the US in the past month or so, that has given renewed optimism. And you can see it here in the past week performance in the stock market, that there is renewed optimism, and like the major stocks in the S&P 500, they've all gone up this week. So yeah, as I said, I wanted to do this quick stock market analysis of the past week performance. And yeah, the first 2 weeks in January have started off pretty good, and hopefully there'll be an improvement on the last couple of months when the market was in what can only be called a sell-off mode. So yeah, so I leave it there, and thanks for watching. And if you enjoyed the video, please hit the like and subscribe. It would be greatly appreciated. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care.